Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Becca. Today we're diving into a fun DIY project using some beautiful fall florals. I can't wait for you to see what I created. Let's get right into it. These stems are from Hobby Lobby. They were 40% off, so they came out to be about $1.79 each, which is a great deal. These are high quality and the colors are so beautiful. They look so natural. I fell in love with them. I had to get them. Let's talk about the base. I started with 2 pool noodles from Dollar Tree. I taped them together and trimmed them down to be a bit shorter than the mantle. I did this so that the noodles will not show at the ends. To tie down the noodle, I nailed in picture frame nails along the back side of the mantle. Then I placed the noodle right on top to secure it in place. You want to make sure the base is towards the back of the mantle because the florals will start to get a bit heavy and will need a spot to rest, and they will start leaning forward. So you don't want that. So make sure you put it towards the back. Now don't forget to fluff your florals. This will give you a more natural feel and it will add tons of volume to your arrangement. Now, if the stems are not staying in place, just add a bit of hot glue at the ends, then place it back in. Now, these gorgeous burgundy stems, also from Hobby Lobby, will be in the natural dried floral department. These will not be where the artificial ones are, but remember to be gentle with these because the leaves are a little more fragile and they could start to fall. But these will definitely elevate your arrangement, giving organic vibes. The bushel was $9.99 and I cut the stems individually from the main branch. I had so much left over. I used the rest in a vase in my kitchen. You can definitely fluff these as well, creating more of a natural look. These eucalyptus stems, also in the dried floral department, smell amazing, you guys. Growing up, my mom was always into DIY and crafting at home. We would often go to Hobby Lobby, and just walking in, I would smell the eucalyptus and the cinnamon broomsticks. It's so nostalgic to me. It brings back so many good memories. It really brings in that cozy ambiance. Next is the candlestick holders. I added double-sided tape to the bottom so they will stay in place. My mantle is natural wood, so the surface is not very level, so I thought this would help keep them in place. I like to start with the taller ones on the outside and the shorter ones in. This will create dimension to the look. But feel free to make it your own. You can place them just on one side of the mantle and add a different element to the other side. It's really whatever you're feeling. Just go with it. Thanks for creating with me today. If you enjoyed watching this DIY floral arrangement, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a new design. See you in the next one.